All you have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to you. You won't get to choose how long you're here. You won't know how many sunrises you have left. All you get is now. This moment. It moves, with or without you. If this is the only life you get, what are you going to do with it? Who do you want to be? What are you building? And why does it matter? Because one day, this moment you're living in will become the memory someone else holds. And all that will be left are the choices you made and the moments you were brave enough to really live.